Hello, and welcome to Night Office Solutions how-to videos. Today we'll be discussing how to replace toner on both color and black and white mid-volume Sharp machines. I wanted to point out where the low toner level will be displayed on the operations panel. On this model, it will show in the lower left-hand corner. Double tapping the home button will bring up a display showing the individual toner status for each color. This display applies to both black and white and color models. On this particular black and white model, the toner is located right behind the front cover in the middle of the machine. The cartridge should pull directly out of the copier. The new container will have step-by-step instructions on how to replace the cartridge. Shake the new cartridge 5 or 6 times back and forth horizontally while making sure to keep it level. After that, you can install the new cartridge and close the front cover. To change the toner on a color device, you will again open the front cover of the machine. You can identify the spent cartridge because it will extend out from the machine just slightly. Keep the new toner horizontal and shake it 5 or 6 times. Then slide the cartridge into place and close the front cover. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope it helps you learn how to change out your toner. If you ever have any toner supply issues, please feel free to call our customer service specialists at 210-340-8909, and we'll be happy to help you out with any service you may need.